Hospital. Welcome to an exciting career opportunity with the Government of Sindh Health Department. We are currently accepting applications for multiple vacant positions including Statistical Assistant, Steno Typist, Assistant Perfusionist, Librarian, Personal Assistant, Respiratory Therapist, ICU Technician, and many other specialized roles. Graduation cap. The qualification requirements vary depending on the specific position you're applying for. Most positions require graduation with relevant diplomas or proven experience in the respective field. We value both academic excellence and practical expertise. Bus Saint Silhouette. The age limit for all these positions is between 18 to 28 years, providing excellent opportunities for both fresh graduates and experienced professionals to build their careers in the healthcare sector. Clipboard. Interested candidates must submit their complete applications along with all required documents within 14 days of this advertisement. Make sure to include all necessary certificates, testimonials, and supporting documents to avoid any delays in processing. Balance scale. All positions will be filled according to the urban and rural quota system, with reserved quotas for women, differently abled persons, and minorities as per the official Sindh government policy. We are committed to equal opportunity employment. White heavy check mark. Please note that incomplete applications or applications received after the deadline will not be entertained. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted for written tests or interviews. We encourage all eligible candidates to apply and take this opportunity to serve the people of Sindh. White heavy check mark. Subscribe to my channel for daily updates and stay connected with the latest content.